I want to share a quick story that struck me once I graduated and moved on from Butler. It was in high school. I went to Northwest High School, and I was attending 9th grade in a biology class. And the biology class was mixed with 9th and 10th graders, and we were assigned a group project. Now I'm coming from Butler, where group projects are divided evenly. I believe this is still the case. It's exciting. You're not on your own. You get to collaborate with someone else. You get to learn from other people. You get to do just a portion of the work and not the whole thing. And then you get to share in the presentation. They're fun. Well, at Northwest, I was assigned in a group project where we got to pick our own member of the group. And a 10th grader on the football team, he picked me for the group, and I was excited. We talked about the project, and we split 50-50. I started working on it right away. But then I noticed I couldn't find him anymore in class. At practice either, it was weird. He had a way of just kind of like sinking into the crowd and the hallway, and I didn't see him again until the day before the project was due. He surfaced and said, "Hey, I don't think I'm going to get my 50% done." And I said, "Okay, send me what you have." And it was about a paragraph that I had to build out and turn in the full group project for both of us. I learned that, yeah, group projects aren't what you expect coming from Butler, but I tell that story as a warning, but also a contrast to something I learned in law school, which was a study group. Now, a study group was made up of people from all different backgrounds and levels of experience, but in law school, we were placed in these sections, and basically everybody had the same schedule. We took the same classes together. We saw each other basically every day. A study group formed where the person next to me, the person in front of me, the person behind me, we just started asking each other questions. We started wrestling with the material. We tried to maximize our group understanding so that we could get through what was being demanded of us in law school. And that kind of clicked in my head. That was the Montessori understanding that I had grown so used to. And it was a warm feeling, a feeling that I remembered fondly. So as you go out and you take your next steps, build study groups, not group projects.